Odera, your favorite interior solutions provider at Kakadot. Today, I'm going to be sharing 3 amazing tips to help you create a cohesive home. People really mix it up or get it twisted when it comes to trying to create that very cohesive environment at home, and it's really not that difficult. It is really amazing to know that you can have such in your home, and then you can come back to it and relax and rest and feel like you're in some sort of lodge or hotel room somewhere in another part of the world. So I'm going to be sharing 3 amazing tips, and if you have any other tip you would like to add to this, please do indicate in the comment section, and I would love to know what they are. My very first tip will have to be choosing your interior design style, which can be quite daunting on people. Even I myself, I really found it very difficult at first to figure out the styles I like, because I just realized I don't just like one style, and you have to kind of realize or figure out the styles that you're more drawn to or interested in, so you can be able to pull inspiration into your space from this style or different collection of styles, and then move on with it. Figuring out your style, interior design style, you can also pull out a color palette. So I'm still putting a color palette, which I always mention in most of my videos. I'm still going to put it under my first tip for you, which is choosing your interior design style. So it's going to help you figure out your color palette and be able to build a color palette rather in your style or for your space. But to layer different textures, it's so beautiful and amazing to what textures can do and can add to your space or to a corner or an area in your home. It's usually very beautiful. Layer different textures. If you can't do it, I would advise you get in touch with an interior designer like myself, and then we can help you figure out the textures that work for your space and as well your interior design style, and put it up together. Final tip is mix and match your furniture pieces. I know some people might find out that they have a traditional design style interest. It's cute, but I would really suggest you mix and match your furniture piece, and I'm going to give you an example whereby you can get a 3-seater sofa, 2-seater sofa, and then instead of putting the traditional 2 single chairs that would usually match that 3-seater and 2-seater sofas, you can get an occasional chair that comes in a different design, or get that comes in a different design or shape or size, and also getting a different texture when it also comes to your coffee table and side table and other pieces that might be in that space. Just mix and match your furniture set and pieces. It's usually very cohesive, and try and make sure it all relates into each other somehow, so it doesn't look like a zoo that has different animals in it. If doing all this is going to be difficult for you, you can just get in touch with the team at Kakadot, and we're always super glad to be of help to set up your space. I hope you've enjoyed the 3 tips I've given you to create a cohesive space in your home, and trust me, you should try it out, because you can just take out one weekend and just go shopping, and additional points or tips to add to this, I would really love to know what they are. Please leave them in the comment section, and then please do subscribe, and like this video, share this video. We're trying to create a beautiful family here whereby we share tips and tricks to create amazing interior design spaces all over the world.